All sports are coming to an end very soon. Our Marysville Girls Swim Team is diving into regionals. The Viking Swim Team has won about half of their swim meets this season. Joining us today is Annicka M, a freshman swimmer and diver. So Annicka, what are your thoughts when you first get into the water?
My thoughts are just to race as fast as I can because we already thought through all the technical stuff in practice.
The Vikings competed against many strong and great teams this season. What team was your biggest competition and why?
There wasn't a certain team that was our biggest competition, but I feel like every meet is a competition to us because of our really small team.
All strong sporting teams require good chemistry. How do you guys bond in and outside of school to stay close as a team?
Our team is like a family to us, but outside of the pool, every few weeks we usually go to our coach's house and do an activity together.
At Marysville High School, we have a swim and dive team. What is it like being on both the swim and dive team at the same time?
Although it's really stressful, but to have two things at once. But if I have a bad day on diving, I still have my other swim events to do.
We wish the best of luck to the girls swim team at regionals, and we thank Annicka for joining us today. This has been Sydney Hilgendorf on M6, your hometown station.